Hello everyone. In today's lecture, in chapter number 5th, I will cover last topic MOSFET. MOSFET called metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. What is MOS stands? M stands for metal, O stands for oxide, S stands for semiconductor. MOSFET is another type of FET. It is one of the important devices used in design and construction of digital circuits. MOSFET is a short form of the metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. They are different in construction from GFET. Metal for drain, source and gate connection for the proper surface. In particular, the gate terminal and the control to be offered by surface area of the contact. Oxide. Here silicon dioxide as insulating layer will be used, so O stands for oxide. Semiconductor. For basic structure in which N and P type region are diffuse, so N and P type semiconductor material are used. MOSFET also called as the insulated gate FET, IGFT. It is an important semiconductor device and is widely used in many circuit applications. Here you can see the construction of MOSFET. It is also having a 3 terminal, source, drain and gate. This is the oxide layer. This is a substrate. One of the advantage of MOSFET, that is high input impedance than FET, because a very small leakage current. MOSFET has a greater commercial importance than GFET. In the full form of MOSFET, the dioxide, that is silicon dioxide. Insulator refer as a dielectric. It set up opposing electric field within the dielectric when exposed to the externally applied field. The fact that SiO2 layer is an insulator layer means no direct electric connection between gate and the channel. In the figure you can see there is no direct connection between gate and channel. That will in detail you will learn through construction. Insulating layer of SiO2 is the MOSFET construction that accounts for very desirable high input impedance of the device. These are the N channel and P channel MOSFET. You can see the symbol of both the channel. Next, construction of MOSFET. In the figure you can see here the D-type MOSFET is shown. In detail I will explain you the detailed structure of MOSFET. Here from the figure you can see the 3 terminal, source, gate and drain. This is oxide, SiO2 layer. This is a metal. This is a channel region. This is the length of channel. This is a depletion region. Pink line. This is a P-type substrate. A P-type semiconductor material silicon is used as a substrate in the given construction. Usually substrate is internally connected to the source. This substrate internally connected with source. But sometimes it is taken out as a separate terminal known as SS. In the next we will continue with SS. SS stands for separate substrate. Drain and source terminal are connected to N-type. From the figure you can see drain and source are connected to N-type region through the metallic contact. This is a metallic contact. Drain and source are connected to N region. The N-type region are linked with each other by N channel. The gate terminal is insulated from, this is a gate terminal, is insulated from N channel by a thin silicon layer. Here you can see this is a SiO2 layer, silicon layer Si silicon dioxide layer, that is SiO2. What are the effect of insulating SiO2 layer? Due to presence of SiO2 layer, this layer between gate terminal and N channel, the input impedance of a MOSFET is very high. This is desirable feature of MOSFET. Due to that, already I have discussed in this line. This is a desirable feature of MOSFET due to the high input impedance. Gate current Ig is approximately 0 for DC operating condition. What is the basic principle of MOSFET? This is you can see the construction that already I have discussed in the last video. The aim of MOSFET is to be able to control the voltage and current flow from the source and drain. So it works as almost like a switch. Now if the voltage is applied between drain and source, the current flow freely between source and drain. The gate voltage control the electron in the channel. Now in detail I will explain you the first type of MOSFET, that is depletion type MOSFET. Why depletion MOSFET? A depletion type MOSFET is normally on MOSFET. That means it conducts when no gate voltage is applied. With application of gate voltage which is negative for N channel D MOSFET, the drain current will decrease, means that gate depleted, so it called depletion MOSFET. Through this construction, through the operation, I will at the end you will get how gate is depleted. So this type of MOSFET called depletion MOSFET. So next topic is operation of N channel depletion type MOSFET. It is also work in a 3 different operation. In the first operation with VGS equal to 0. Here you can see from the figure the first operation VGS equal to 0. The figure you can see, this is the N, this is the channel, this is P substrate, S stands for substrate, this is the G drain, this is source. Refer above figure. It shows the gate, source and substrate terminal are connected together. Gate, source and SS all are connected together to the ground point. Thus VGS equal to 0. A positive voltage VDD is applied between drain and source. Due to positive voltage applied to the drain terminal, free electrons, from the figure you can see, free electrons from the channel are attract to the drain. These are attract, the direction of electron you can see, they are attract towards the drain. And drain current start flowing. The drain current at VGS equal to 0 is called IDSS, that is maximum saturation drain current, the maximum possible value of ID. So in this operation the current will flow, that is IDSS. Next, the operation of depletion MOSFET with negative VGS. Here you can see from the figure, due to negative voltage applied between gate, here we have applied gate voltage, negative gate voltage, and cathode terminal. The gate will tends to repel free electrons towards the, these are repelled towards the P-type substrate and attract holes from the substrate. Holes are attract towards the channel. These electron and holes will recombine inside the channel as shown with the figure. It is a recombination process. These will reduce number of free electrons available for conduction. So drain current will decrease with increasing negative value of VGS. So as negative voltage will increase, ID will reduce. That will be covered through the characteristic. Higher negative bias, more the recombination and less the drain current. These shown in the transfer characteristic. Here you can see the transfer characteristic. This is a transfer characteristic. How with increasing negative voltage, drain current is, with increasing drain voltage, the current is reducing. This is a mode of operation with negative VGS is known as a depletion region. Here from the characteristic, the gate volt current is depleted. So here you can see through the transfer characteristic. This is a transfer characteristic. So with increasing voltage, how the effect is that you can see from the field. This is a transfer characteristic. The effect of positive gate to source voltage. If gate voltage is made positive with respect to the source, then positive VGS will attract additional electrons from N-type substrate due to reverse leakage current. These accelerated electrons will known as more electron due to collision in N-type channel. So drain current will increase as we increase positive. From the figure you can see, with increasing VGS with more positive value, the current is increasing. These rise in drain current will very rapid. The level of the free electrons has been enhanced due to the application of positive gate voltage. From the figure you can see this is called depletion mode. This is the enhancement mode. Therefore, region of operation corresponding to positive gate voltage is known as the enhancement region or enhancement mode. So, in this operation, the characteristics are very similar to JFET. When VGS equal to 0, ID equal to IDSS, that is first operation. When VGS is less than 0, means negative, ID less than IDSS, is ID equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS divided by VP whole square. This is a depletion region. And last is enhancement mode. In this mode, the VGS is greater than 0. The ID increase above the IDS. The VGS is more positive polarity. So current will increase. These are the symbol of D-type MOSFET, N channel as well as P channel. Only the difference here both the symbols have drawn as a SS and only simple as a substrate. This is the N channel and this is a P channel. Next is another type, that is enhancement type MOSFET structure, that I will cover in the next lecture. Thank you.